In this video, we'll take a look at how to import multiple customer records into DWA Commerce and optionally add it to the contact list. Now, you would have typically received two MS Excel sheets, one with the sample data and the other is where we enter the actual data and import it into the system. So let's first take a look at the sample data. This is optional company name. Then we have the customer name. So we should typically enter only just one, either the company name or the party name. First name and last name is mandatory. Then we have email address, which is optional. Then mobile number, country code, and phone number is mandatory. Customer postal address, this is again optional. We need to have one customer rule to be specified. It could be customer, it could be leads, it could be NA. Then, if you want the data, if you want these customers to be directly added to the contact list, you can add the contact list ID out here, not the name. Again, if you with DWA Commerce, you can track what are the various sources of your data. These are there in the data source screen. You can use one of the IDs out there or create your own custom IDs in the system and then use them here. Similarly, you can have one or more multiple tags associated with the party and you can enter the tag IDs out here. With this, now let's look at the creating the actual data. So we use it out here. I'll say user one. Last name and then again drop it. Email is optional, so we'll just take the minimalistic route right now. This is the India code and we enter number like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1. 10-digit phone number, anything, and make sure they are unique. Postal address, again, we'll leave it. Role, I'll make it NA, which is there's no role, or we could even have a role called customer. You can contact the DWA Commerce team to get more information about these roles, or we'll create another video for this shortly. Then contact list. So let's look at contact list, what we have in the system. We have a contact list which is 10,030. We'll add it out here. Contact list, make sure it's the same. Data source by default we can leave it blank, or I'll just enter others, or leave it blank, and we'll leave it tag also for the time being. So this is done. Now let's save this. Now what we'll do is we'll import this into the system. We'll go to data sources. We go to import leads. We're here. Now let's select the file and we do upload Excel. Depending upon the number of records that you've entered, it could take a bit of while. Now this says the lead data has been imported. Now what we'll go is we'll go to contact list. We'll open up the contact list that we had entered in the Excel. As you can see, all the contacts are out here. So this is how we can use Microsoft Excel to bulk import data into DWA Commerce and create custom contact lists. Thank you.